I'm back. Hey, I'm back. Uh, get myself ready to stream in 3, 2, 1, and switch. Hi. Okay. So, sorry for a bit of a delay. I was having issues trying to open my project, my old project. Like, I know it crashes. I know I have some issues trying to open closing, and I've been trying my best trying to get that open. But I couldn't. So now I'm pretty sure gonna do project do most of the project without it. But I think I'm pretty much good at the moment. Like I'm actually I guess at a good spot. Regardless if I need it or not. I might need it. I still need it because there are definitely some gameplay code that I need to push into it. And I'm just trying my best trying to get it all open. But it's right now like it is not looking well here. Like not looking well at all. As it is refusing to get back to where it was before. Especially when it's trying to especially when I try to like in my mind try to delete all the files, thinking that if I delete it and put it back, it'll be better. Instead, it just delete the whole it deleted the whole all the files and all the things I wanted gone, which would be great, but it's not exactly what I want. But so through that, again, I go through this without it, for time being. But I don't think there's a lot I need to worry about. I have all the things I want in the map, especially getting the new map mission. There's some things I'll still need to fix, like having the mouse not be able to hover over these things, these tabs. I say tabs, but it's like these tiles. When this is open, and be able to being able to control this once this is open. I'm able to control it, and if I hit back, I'm still able to control it. Not also what I want. It's cool, but it's not what I want as well. So that needs to be taken care of. So okay, I think most of it's gonna be like bug fixes, and some of it's gonna be like working on a bit of combat. Although combat wise, the player is not able to do damage to our units. So that has to be taken care of. The AI has not been set up as well, so that also needs to be taken care of. What else? Pretty much there's like a few handful of things that need to be set up, that needs to be taken care of. But I think one goal to do right now is probably, and looking at this is probably a short stream after all. That I'm going to have to get most of the bug fixes on the UI for the preparation UI, and getting the gain the character to gain the character not gain the camera to not move when the camera's when the preparation menu is open. So let me look at so one thing I want to take a look real quick is, well, my UI. Look into preparation. Look into here. I think this is where most of my stuff gets loaded in. Okay. And I think I need to look at my PC. Because I don't think we need. I don't think I need this on. Alright, we have no control. Cool, we have control now. We hit back. We still have control. Okay. This is gonna be easy and simple. We have this back button right here. And what this back button is supposed to what this back button is supposed to do is when we click on it, it's to go. It should go back. On back button pressed. Oh, wait a second. Okay, here it is. Move view map. Then if that's the case, we don't want this enabled. I can here, click the placement, I can go around, turn around. Awesome. That was quick. We're gonna go back. Yep, there we go. And everything's back to where it was. And back. Click on back button. Okay, I solved my own little issue. That was a quick one. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye. I'm back. Okay. What the heck was that? Okay. Okay. That's that. What else? I think I also need, I said I was gonna do something with you, adding units. So far, we're able to move around and select, selecting. The way I usually have it is when I add a unit in the world, and I think I need to go into my player action combat. That's not it. Debug. Show tile namers, move, add unit, add remove unit. This is the one I use to add and remove units. Okay. So so I know that we need to have something at a starting point. Um, and I think what I need to create right now is actor that can give a starting point. Real quick, I think this will be. I'll put this in here. I think I already have this one created array inside the code. Just need to find it where what it is. It is tile type. Is it tile type? No, not that one. UI save Marcos input highlight. This is the one. Highlight tile. And I think I have all the code necessary to have this going. Maybe tile type is actually not that, but more of a tile, more of an official thing. I don't know because my code right now is broken. So I had to figure this out on my own. Again. If things ain't go work out, I said it's gonna be the shortest stream ever. And probably have to do this next time I come back. All right, we get that, and then we actually get back to the test map. Let's see, let me read this. Compiler. Default root scope highlight actor yellow. Already exists. Trying to create property oh, I know what's happening. We don't need you anymore. We don't need the default scene because we already have. Because we already have some. Okay. That's basically it. Okay. Real quick, let's go and close these down. Compile. But then again, it's taking a while. So, what did I do today? I went to a convention once. I was only there for one day. And that was just this Friday. The convention I go to used to have like Friday passes. Now they don't. No longer have those Friday passes. So had 2 to 3 days of conventions, and I only spent Friday. I was planning to go like that convention like for like on last Saturday, but I decided not to go there again. Because of all the things that the convention have, it doesn't have enough. Doesn't have everything that I want to see. Like I've been to so many anime conventions for a very long time. This one's like, yeah, cool. I'm not excited. Although I did see there's this one indie group that was there. They were actually showcasing their fan game. It's one to get one of the Danganronpa fan games that I saw online, and like that seems interesting, and then we go and play that, and it was that part was fun. I only played the prologue, but they have like the chapter 1, 15 minutes of chapter 1. I decided not to play. I decided not to play it because I'm kind of waiting for the full release of chapter 1 to come out, instead of me just going out and playing it. So basically now I'm just kind of holding out on whenever that game comes out. Okay, back here, let's go into our plugins, go into our grid for player. Let's take a look at the highlight actor. It should be fine now, because it didn't like that the scene was already set up already, so I decided to get rid of it. And from there, I now not sure what to do. Hold up. Okay, we already have a few things here. We have the highlight titles. We have floor parameters are in here. Let's have the night. This might be a Niagara actor. Just the highlight title might be an actor itself. So it's not the one that points us to say this is a player tile. That might be some. That actually might be something else. A modifier, actually. Clear highlight and give us a direction. It gives us the type. Yeah, it's a grid modifier. Okay. Excuse me. BP segment. Player. Player starting point. Concrete one. It has a. Does it have a stack mesh? It has no stack mesh. It needs a box. Let's actually use a box then. Let's see, does this grid modifier have any special code? Not entirely. I think the highlight and clear highlights are. I haven't done anything there, I guess, so maybe not. Okay. Let me actually find the box I use for this. I think it'll be on the art. Yeah, this one right here. Go make your stack mesh. There might be some few things I need to fix. I don't think this will be a default. This is a custom actually. I don't think this has collision. So visibility. We don't want the camera blocking it. We don't want the. We want some air. We want areas to be ignored, and we want areas to be traced. I think ground and ground mount bars we needed. And I think this should be fine. If not, I'll have to figure out how to get all this stuff there on. And next time I come back on stream, I don't. Joke. Like, this is how I usually have these levels set up, like this. Not say levels. I have these points set up like this. It'll be something like this. It'll be probably color coded, and it'll be modified in the default. So this is like the starting point. And it'll give a direction like north, east, south, west. I don't think, now looking at it now, I don't think I have these things actually properly set up in here. Yeah. Okay, I don't think I have. Oh yeah. Another thing was I was planning to do last week. Well, I was planning to do a game jam. I think it was like mouse jam, but I didn't realize that the jam has started a month ago. I assumed that they were it was like a 7-day jam, like, but wasn't. It was like you can start the game. You can start the game now. Like what the heck? If I could just start the game now, why not just say like a month jam like before, like as before, instead of like making it like 7-day? Like I was I say frustrated as hell, but like not mad, but like very a little bit annoyed. But here's what it is: I wasn't able to fully participate in it. Part because I made a very complex idea out of it, and I didn't actually wasn't thinking about it. Plus, there was things happening in my life that I couldn't do, so I had to stop and try, do something else. Most likely this, but it's kind of interesting. Okay, we have this, and what's going to happen? What's supposed to happen is the grid. Where I put the grid at? The grid is going to add the tile. It's going to, I think, update visuals. Hold on a second. Spawn grid. Does all this. Trace the ground. And this is where to trace the ground. It goes through down here. Goes through. It's going to go do a trace. And it'll give out a hit. And it's going to give us these things. And now all the traces. This is like this is a multi trace. So it's like it'll continue going down. and it'll keep going down, no matter what, to see what where things get hit. So it's looking for a grid modifier, and it will give us a grid. If grid modifier, give us the type. If this type is a starting point, hit the grid mod direction. If highlight tile found, that is, let's see, that should be within here, which this one says false. If this is false, add highlight tile index grid mod, and it will, I think this one is going to spawn the grid add highlight tile. So looking at it now, we have this, and this is what's added. This is the highlight index, add unique, that sort of thing. Okay, cool. Why does it feel like what does it feel like I need to add something else here? Like, okay. Does that mean anything to me? I think it should mean that the combat manager maybe is looking for the grid modifiers. Let me check. Maybe he's looking for grid modifiers. It is. There we go. Add highlight tiles. Okay. And does this. It's going to get all active class looking for grid modifiers. And it's going to do this. Alright. Real quick. Where is this? Is this being called? It is being called. And that's being called, and then initialize implementation. Alright, cool. So initialize implementation is being should be being called and should be doing its thing. Right? I think so. If not, it might actually, it might not. Hold on a second. Let me actually go. I say it might not because the game mode is using this instead of the R one, so it might be. So it might not be using that. Here's initialize grid. Here's spawn. Add highlight tile. All right, here we go. All right, cool. So it does have to add highlight tile. Never mind. We're good. We good, Chi. We good. Just now that we have to look into our now we have to test it out. Okay. And funny thing is, we have never tested this out, so this is something we could start out. Okay. For actors, if grid modifier is starting point for each highlight index that as a point, it's going to, if do that, spawn, it's going to spawn, let's go get the spawn transform, and let's go get a highlight tile. I think, wait, Where is that coming from? Hello. It's not gonna get. It's not gonna use its own. Okay. I see what's happening. Let's call this default highlight tile. I'm gonna copy this one. I'm actually gonna create a subclass of that. And we're gonna make this a blueprint read only and default at default. And this is gonna be under preparation. Go back to this. Going to not get rid of this. Let me make sure that this is actually, yeah, this is actually in there. Cool. This is actually in there. Default highlight. There we go. You give us color, give us stationary, and it's going to add this. Cool. That actually, I will never know until I have my project, until I have my old project open. I will never know if I have this all set up until I have my old project open. And right now it's gonna be taking like about 4 hours to get all the code back. Never once I have felt like I'm so mad about something like this. But then again, I can tell you one thing. I am very close of having all this finished. Like I'm very close to it. Of course, I have to do some more implementation. Need to make sure that need to have AI. Need to have AI working. Need to have the units working. Need to have the combat working. Need to have the ability stuff working. And I say we're 100% finished and completed, and we can actually go out and make this game now. Like most of the time, I've been right now I've been just setting up the game. I haven't even started making the game at all. Just more likely just setting it up. That's this game jam coming along. I'm also wondering how I'm gonna get that going. Okay, let me actually test this out. Okay. With this, I'm actually very glad that I say I'm glad I'm actually back doing this again, but I really feel like I need to remember what I did, what I'm doing, what fixed that sort of thing. I think for me right now, I need to create. I need to actually get the hello. HOI. Where is the tile? We have Niagara. It's ready. It is visible anywhere, but we don't see it. That might be because it is not attached to anything. The Niagara is what is the Niagara component, and this Niagara component is not attached to anything right now. I'm gonna need a tile. Set up attachment to root component. And another thing I need to make sure is highlight tile is default. Create default sculpt object. Highlight title, and we should be good now. Okay. We go close back where we were. We're going to go back and close where we were, and then do a rebuild. Rebuild again. What else? I'm trying to remember when the last time I have how long was it until I had this issue before? I think I had the it's been a while, but like I think the last time I remember I had an issue where the project crash was like at like last year, before beginning of New Year, that this issue has been going on. Like I remember, like the way I usually fix it is like create a new project, move all of the code from one point to another so I can read it. Breakpoint excluded. Is this the issue? Yes, it is an issue. So this is not. So that's not going to work. Create default. Not ain't happy with it. Okay. Do I need it? Okay. Do I need to create one like this? Okay. Like it's been a while. I mean, I mean, it's probably as far as I could do that. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay, I got. It's right, but this is set up wrong. It's this way. You know what I've never done for a while. Like I've never done like a bulk send and apply to a lot of jobs. I think a bulk sends like 1,000. No, not 1,000. 100 jobs at the moment. Like, and I wasn't sure if anybody's open today. I didn't know that if this day was a holiday for them. But either way, if something happens tomorrow, I'll probably get a response back now. I'll get a response back to them, hopefully. Okay. That's not me. I think we got what we are needed. Okay, here we go. There it is. Okay. We have to highlight tile. We're needing a material though. Let's see. We have new system from select emitters. Behavior. No, not this one. Copy existing system. Come on now. Okay, is this the one we had looking for? Here we go. This one we're looking for. And let's see. Which one is mostly the one I want to use to push up? I think one I used was the fountain. Niagara NS. I like tile. And I use the fountain. I think I use the fountain for a reason. Just so I can get the this type of velocity going. But I don't want the part. We don't need the gravity. So if I turn off gravity, it's gonna be spinning up just like that. I don't need a random point to go for it to go up. I just need to go up one area. Emitter. These are things that I'm exactly looking at. shape location, normalize. Oh my god. I think it might be initiate. Initiate. Let's see. We have lifetime random. We have a random lifetime between 4. We don't want random. We want a direct. Just one. You don't want a random mask. Probably just one. Right attribute. Guys, we just need to be. That's that uniform. If I go back here and set the spawn rate about back to 64, it'll give us the same. It'll give us the same, same unit all the time. And the rotation, we don't want this random. We want this unset. And yet you're going random direction. Okay. The velocity speed is maximum. We don't want this. We want this to be a velocity of constant speed of 25, maybe. All right. And I'm close. Getting really close. Rotation mode default. Single axis default. Couple world. Keep it local. Let's see, what else I want? I want the measurement instead of the sprite. Alright, this is gonna be the thing I'm going to use. Step back to 2. Infinite loop duration. It'll be fine for right now. Spawn rate. I think spawn rate will probably the one I'm going to use right now. There we go. Next up is like initiate particles. Okay. And velocity. There we go. That's exactly what I'm looking for. We are also trying to figure out how to we solve it by not. Is there a kill? Yeah, there's a kill. Cool. Apologize if you apologies I can't if you all can't see very well. Hold on a second. Maybe I should fix that real quick. Because it's actually just like very small. Right, this is what it actually looks like at the moment. Let me actually rename this empty something else like grid. Not grid. It's not like a big grid. It's like a square box. Lifetime. Where can I find lifetime? Life cycle. On race. Here we go. So 5 seconds. It's under my initialize particle. Okay. Okay then. Oh, 1 second. Okay. Okay. It's been a while, so I don't even remember exactly how I did this before. I think I made a box, and the box is exactly like this. Yep. We are actually going to use this box to. We're actually going to shape this box, so I'm going to go ahead and polyedge. And we are going to just delete. No, that's duplicate. That's delete. Instead, delete, and one under it. We're also going to delete that. Okay. And on the edges, we are going to bring them close together and then move them down. just like so. And we're going to insert an edge loop right here. This edge loop is going to be moving up. And not only that, I think I'm going to make a plane projection. Because this is a flat only material. Nothing super special. Or actually, hold on a second. Let's try this. Not this one. This way right here. Here we go. Come on now. Okay. All right. Plane projection. Okay, that's a lot better. Now I'll do edge loop. And then we're going to bring those edges up. Ah. Not like that, not like that. Come on. There we go. Just like that. And this is exactly the one we want to use. Of course, that's done. I need to make a material on this. Real quick, let me find this box. Where the heck are you? You're in here? No, you're gonna be in here now. You're in player. Name is SM Highlight Tile Cache. And after that, I'm gonna make a material. I think this one's called glow. I don't quite remember if I have something exactly. If I have a mesh exactly like that, I do have a texture something like that, but I don't think I have a. I don't think I have anything like that exact. God. Let's see. And do I need this to be a? I don't need this to be a opaque. I just need to be a translucent. Yeah, translucent. Meaning our color is gonna be like this. And make this a cosine. Look at this. Look at here. What's happening? Give this time a. We should have a. Okay, let's actually not like that. Let's ignore that. Let's not add something like this in here. Let's try a clamp. Things to do for it now. I think we have a basket as well. Let's see what happens when we do this. We have none. I could work with it. I can mess with this, yeah. Like for right now, until we get a better one. So let me actually go ahead and get this material slapped onto it. Not the best, but for right now, it's good. It's good enough. Ooh. Yeah, I think I can make it work. Okay, now we are going to get that mesh that we have used. real quick, and then we actually end our here. This is what I'm doing. I'm just actually opening the mesh itself and just putting that material in there. And let me actually go ahead and change this. So we should have this is what the material is going to look like. And this is exactly what I'm looking for here. For right now, I think. I do want like the edge to be more highlighted than the texture, but I don't know how. I don't actually have an idea on how to do that yet. I think. Oh, why wonder if I have a good way of doing it? If I could just look up online. Material, edge, text. GameDev. I don't need a GameDev. Do we need a GameDev? Hold on a second. This is more. That's not what I'm looking for though. This is more for materials on the post-processing section. But I want meshes on not in post-processing. Texture coordinate, mask. Okay. This is probably what I'm looking for here. Right. This is what I'm looking for here. Sorry, really being a bit quiet. It's like I'm just trying to make sure I get this correct. This might not be correct. Let's actually ask a different question. Angle detection mesh. We can just probably append these two together and we'll actually get this. Okay, red and green. Or we can just add them. Or I could just actually just add these two. And we get a full red. Just like this. Hey Storm, how you doing? Okay. What am I doing here? So add these two together, and if I do a A is greater than E. That didn't work. Maybe we'll flip this around. Yeah, near that work. Okay, and let's flip it around then. Okay, cool. And we're going to use that. Awesome. I'm going to select this mesh. We're going to preview it. Yeah, oh my god. What the flip? It's interesting. That's very interesting. It's very interesting, but I don't know if I want to use that or not. You know what? I'm going not to use that. Let's go with this right now. It's plain, boring, sure, but it's we're using for testing until I actually get the actual project back in my computer. Anyways, we have this, and the goal right now is to use our recently new highlight Niagara thing to indicate that as a highlight glow. So this is a new material. New thing. This will get the highlight. Which one is it? Wait. Hold up. I had this the whole time. I had the whole time. Never mind. Here's what I'm gonna do. Instead of that, I'm gonna grab this. Move it here. Use the glow tile system. If I drag this out, I should have the tile set up. Don't. Hey. Oh my god, I feel so silly. It's not actually showing up. Maybe it is because it's not set properly. Your way. We'll worry about that. What I do need to do is preparation. Well, highlight actor. Save. Let me test this. All right. I don't think I have anything highlighted actually working properly. I think you know what I'm gonna do right now. I said this is gonna be a short stream because I don't have my things set up properly. So I'm gonna make this a short stream and actually and work on this later on. So I need to go ahead and get off. I apologize for that, folks. hopefully next stream on this Wednesday, I'll have it set up properly. Matter of fact, if you go to my Twitch, Twitter X, I have my schedule set up. So this time I actually I'll be able to show off when I'm going to stream, that sort of thing. And I'll keep reminding you. Even that, I'll keep reminding you when I'm going to stream. So yeah, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. And I'll see y'all on this Wednesday. All right. Later.